Hey, what's up guys? I just wanted to show you the fair value entry model on my mechanical orb strategy. And this is a trade I actually took. First, we wait for the 15-minute range to form. We mark out the high and low. We wait for a 5-minute candle break and close. Okay, we get one. It is 31 points, so it's still valid. We have a 67-point range, so we'll be using a 30-point stop loss. So I will put my limit order 5.5 points outside the range. Okay, let's see if we get tagged in. We do not get tagged in. So we will go ahead and place our new limit order just on the bottom of the wick to make sure we're not invalidated. Okay, we are still good. It's under 50 points. Put our new limit order, and then we'll see if we get tagged in. Get tagged in, and TP. That's pretty much it. This is how I use the fair value gap with my mechanical orb strategy. I will have all the rules on my Discord. If you want to join, it's free. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you want to see the full video, I will link it up in the cards.